PALS prereqs in 2 minutes. There are 3 prerequisites for PALS. They include a current BLS certification, completion of the PALS self-assessment, otherwise known as the PALS pretest, and the PALS learning modules and final exam. A current heart and stroke basic life support certification must be held by the participant in order to take the PALS course. This is an easy prerequisite to meet, especially if your BLS certification is still valid. Using Google Chrome, log on to the Heart and Stroke Training portal, or scan the QR code with your phone to access your account and print off your certification. You will have to provide proof of your BLS certification on the course day. If your BLS certification is expired, you can challenge the Heart and Stroke Foundation by completing what's called the BLS Challenge exam. It's an extra $15, however, it clears the way for you to renew your BLS certification on the course day. To purchase the exam, head on to our website at lifesafemedical.com. Purchase the exam and check your email for the key code. Great! Your BLS certification is now taken care of. Step 2. The PALS pretest. Each participant must complete the PALS self-assessment. Here's how. Once again, using Google Chrome, log on to the Heart and Stroke Training portal. From the homepage menu, select Programs. Scroll down till you see PALS. Select the PALS course, and you're going to see at the top menu bar the self-assessment. Scroll down and click Start. Keep in mind that if you're using a smartphone, turn the phone sideways to start the exam. Complete the exam and take a screenshot. You're now ready for Step 3, the PALS modules. Back on the homepage, select Online Courses. Select Launch Course. Congratulations! You've now completed all your PALS prerequisites. You're now ready to show up to the course on your scheduled date. If you need any help, contact our team via email at lifesafe.med@gmail.com.